Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. I am your friendly neighborhood PM, back again for another weekly video. And I know that you like to get on with your weekend, so we're never going to dilly-dally. We're just going to get right on to it. So, at point number 3, it is unemployment. Now, we continue to see record unemployment, and not only that, but it's about 25 out of the 50 states that are actually like 0.1% away from their record lows in unemployment. So we continue to see a very resilient, very strong labor market. In addition to that, initial jobless claims did come in lower again this week. So still a very robust labor market out there on the forefront. At point number 2, it was retail sales only climbing 0.2% this past month. Now, I know that that's an increase, but that is actually a decline from the prior month's plus 0.5% increase. So we are starting to see households maybe tighten their budgets just a little bit. And as those student loan repayments do come due back in October, that probably will not help matters and will probably continue to constrain consumers just a little bit. Now, at point number 1, the one that was really kind of driving markets earlier this week, it was Netflix announcing earnings. So what happened there was that Netflix guided down revenues probably lower than analysts and street expectations, and that was primarily due to the password crackdown that they've been trying to initiate. So maybe that is not quite having the intended effect that they were hoping to have, and monetizing that password sharing that was going around. Now, that pretty much does it for your top 3 points of this week. What are we looking to for next week? Well, of course, it's that time of the month again, and we have another Fed rate decision coming up on next Wednesday. Now, what we are seeing is it's pretty much priced in that it's going to be another 25 basis point hike. A lot of that is due to the improved inflationary environment, but the Fed has continued to be relatively hawkish, saying that there is going to be continued hikes as long as they are still above their 2% inflationary target. But that's to get you prepared for next week. In the end, once again, if you have any additional questions, reach out to your financial advisor or dig into the written week in review. Otherwise, go enjoy your weekend. Hopefully it's some good weather. We'll see you back the same time next week. Thanks. Bye.